today I'm going to show you something super cool. This has been around, this trick has been around for a while, but I'll bet you that there's a lot of us out there that still haven't come across it or didn't know it existed. Okay, so let me grab something here. Mind you, it's a bit cold outside, so there's a little snow on it, but here's your average 5-gallon gas can. Now the EPA, they mandated sometime around, what was it, 98, 99, that they don't have the vapors going out. So no more vent line here and no more easy pour. Now they have these concoctions here that never work well. And here's another version of it over here. This is the one I'm going to be playing with today. Here's another one of these things. And these, you have to twist them and turn them down, and there's no vents, and it just drives you crazy. But what if I were to tell you that for about $15, you could take 3 of these 5-gallon containers and bring them back to the old school way where you could actually pour gas without swearing. That's right, you can do it. Simply removing the old one here. And you're going to want to hang on to this part of it because that's still usable. But you can get these kits on Amazon that include a new top like that, right? And you can screw that back on there. And now I have an easy pour lid, right? But now I don't have a vent, so if I try to pour it, it's going to do the old chug-a-lug, right? Well, you can also go, and I got these at the flea market, but you can find these pretty much everywhere. And here's a close-up picture of it right here. But you get these, and you just drill 1/2 inch hole right here in the back and put that in there, and voila, you have retrofitted these modern nightmare gas cans into something that was actually usable. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. Now, obviously using electric tools near vapors is probably not the best idea. It is quite cold today, and I can say I've been doing this for many years, using electronics around gasoline, and although it's not exactly the greatest idea, you probably won't get killed doing what I'm about to do. Now the only thing that you have to be careful about when you're digging through this and cutting this hole is you don't want too much of that red plastic, the little plastic coming off these cans, to get down inside. So I'd stop and blow as much of this stuff out as I can. And of course you're never going to get it all, but there's really no way to catch it. So and we're through. Now you just take your piece here and squish it down in the hole. And that's it. Look at that. All better. Oh, I love it. So, yeah, I was out here doing some work, getting the plow ready. We were plowing some snow today. And I'll be danged if one of these things didn't break. And anytime the original nozzles break, I go ahead and retrofit them to the old style like this. So I've still got 1 or 2 of the drive you crazy types in the garage, but for the most part, I've switched over to that. For per can, I'm going to say this will cost you about $5 or $6. But man, how much quicker and how much easier it is to pour fuel once you've got it retrofitted to the pre-98, 97 style is totally worth it. Take care. You can find these parts on Amazon, eBay, or at your local flea market. Have a good one. See you next time. It's too cold to be out here doing this. Bye.